So guys, so for this next video we're gonna do racing stripes. We're gonna need a squidgy, blade cutter, rubbing alcohol, water, and you're gonna need the racing stripes, which are right here. I got some carbon fiber ones. They're a little bit more expensive than the regular ones, but they're already pre-cut, so it should be easy to put on. It's my first time doing it too. All my videos is the first time me doing anything. I don't know how to do it beforehand, so if I can do it, you can do it. Okay. First we're gonna spray off with alcohol to clean any debris that's on it, so the vinyl could go on it perfectly. Alright, let's go. And the reason we use alcohol is because it cleans off faster and it takes off 70% of the debris on the car. It's not like your phone when you're applying a fucking screen protector. Alright, I had already sprayed off the car with water, so I could just apply the vinyl and I can move it around. Now all I'm going to do is squeegee it out from the middle to the sides, all the way until you get to the top.
Okay, I got a really big air bubble, so I'm gonna lift up the vinyl all the way to the bubble comes out, and then I'm just going to reapply it back on again. If you need water, just spray with a little bit of water, just a little bit up. Alright, then just squeegee it back into place. It's way easier when you use water. It doesn't stick fast. Right, so now you're just gonna go back and double check, make sure you don't got an air bubble, which I do, and all you gotta do is just push it out to the side until it comes out. It should have water inside since I sprayed it with water. It makes it easier. Let's see, it should pop right now. It's kinda hard. Boop. There you go. Alright, so now we're gonna cut up the leftover vinyl. Just be careful so that you don't cut your car or scratch it. Just take your time and do it slow.
Ya llevan los taxis, vamos a bajar los taxis de todos. Ya ahí los dejamos calar, ya cuando nos regalen ya. Yeah.
Alright, so now you're gonna spray it down the vinyl again, so you can maneuver it once you put it on the car and put it exactly where you want it. And that is gonna get stuck right away to the car. So you guys are gonna want to use tape to help you keep the line straight as possible.
So you put this on later on? Yeah.
Alright, so the side stripes is the easiest part to do. What you gotta do is don't overlap it and just keep it right at the edge of the vinyl. And you should be good.